Hello everyone, today we will have our 16th lesson. In today's lesson we will continue our view component structure. We skipped the custom template section in the last lesson, so let's start with this part. Let's create a view component for the custom template. Open view components folder and we need a new class. Right click, add new class. Our class name is underscore custom template layout component partial. Okay, Control A, right click, copy, add, click. Okay, inherit I will view components, control dot using Microsoft ASP.NET Core.MVC. Okay, and we need I view component result public. I view component result, our method name is invoke, and we need return view. Okay, we need a view, open views folder, share it, right click on components folder, add new folder. Our folder name is past underscore custom template layout component partial. We need a new partial view, add view razor view, create as a partial view, choose view name is default. Okay, I'm waiting for create. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments under the videos. Okay, go to index, right click and cut, delete this here, right click, paste. Okay, good. Go to index HTML, add await component dot invoke async, and right click folder, rename, right click copy. Okay, and paste it. Good. Okay, our layout is ready. Thus our layout code, which was approximately 900 lines, decreased to approximately 30 lines. Okay, good. It turned into much very clean code. Here are some lines of explanation. Delete them. Delete, and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, very good, very clean. Approximately 900 lines changed to 30 lines cut. Good. So now we are fully ready to work on the admin side. First, we need to add a new controller to our project. This controller could be a category. The purpose here is to perform category related operations. Close. Right click, controller, add new controller, MVC controller empty, delete one. Our controller name is category S. Okay, good. Our controller is ready now. Let's start filling it. We will continue to apply the dependency injection rules. Now we need to call the interfaces we created in the business layer, this here. Let's call the interface required for the category. private read only I category service underscore category service. Okay, we need a constructor method. Now apply a constructor method to this. Control dot generate constructor. Okay, our constructor method is ready. Change the name of our method named index. Let's its name be the category list. Category list. You can use async method. I will explain next lessons what is async methods. Okay, fill in our method var values underscore category service t get all. Okay, and return view in values. Okay, good. Don't forget to return values in the view. If values are not returned, you cannot display the data on the view. Now we need to create a new view through this method. Let's click with the right button on our method. Select the layout option, add view, raise the view, and select layout option. Use a layout page. We do again. Right click, add view, razor view, choose use a layout page. This click here, views, admin layout, and choose index.cshtml. Okay, add. Good. Our view is ready. Now we need a table, but first of all we need to design the page. Let's open our template. wroot kai admin light index html. Right click, view in browser. I'm waiting for open. Okay, let's open the basic table page in the tables tab. Basic table. Here we can use hoverable table. Let's open this from the source file on the template. Where is it? Tables and tables HTML. Is it right? Okay, tables HTML. Good. We need the container part here. Where is container part? Where is container part? Okay, this is container part. 713. Okay, right click, copy, and we need category list. Delete this here. Right click and let's run it like this first. Control Shift W, Control Shift W, and we need to registration for abstract interfaces. Okay, we create registration. Okay, this is not a problem. We need to registration. I will explain what is a registration. Right click, paste. Okay, good. Close and again open with categories, category list. Okay, our category list area is ready. We need hoverable table. Now let's separate the tables according to code sections and delete the others. Where is code sections? This is This is basic table first, second variable table, third striped rows, fourth bordered table, fifth responsive table, and sixth table head states. Okay, we need separate. This is basic table from card. This is first, this is second, this is third. Okay, this is variable table. Where is variable table? This is basic striped and responsive on the left, variable bordered and table head states on the right. This is this is fourth, fifth, and sixth. Good. We will use variable table, so we can delete the others. What is it? Basic table, striped rows, and responsive table. We can delete this here. Delete. Okay, and we can delete others except variable table. This is first bordered and table head states. Delete bordered and delete final table head states. Okay, only we have variable table. Okay, good. That's enough. We will continue next lesson. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.